Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle State.
Gizzle Rollin. We at the Shell's gas station. We got the EI McComb Lowe's meet tonight. It's going down. I'm gassing up. You know what I'm saying? We got Tail, his first pop out. His first pop out for the truck. We got Rudy, his first truck meet. This ain't Frog first truck meet in his truck.
You know,
we got Scooter Pool back. We got Scooter Pool back. You know what I'm saying? New white Ram is going down. Go get Rudy, garbage ass.
Catch me sliding on them sixes.
What the fuck going on today, bro?
Big truck meet.
This your first meet with the new thing, huh?
First meet with the Tahoe, bro.
First meet with the Tahoe. You excited or what, bro?
I'm excited, bro.
Man, it's going down, bro. It's going down. We got Ruku. This Ruku first meet with his truck too.
Yeah.
So it's going down, bro. It's going down. We all ready.
I got some new shit to come to the channel, you know.
Oh yeah?
This might be taller, feel what I'm saying?
Okay. What's up, cuz?
Coolin', bro.
So walk out of doors, man.
So what's been going on? What you got now?
Shit, it's right here, man.
What you got?
2014, man.
You gonna lay it back or what?
I'm gonna tell you, for right now, I'm gonna just slap me some foes on.
First off, turn that fucking music off. It's fucking copyright. So what we got here, cuz? What we got?
Look, but look, what I'm gonna do to it.
Okay.
I'm gonna slap me some foes on there for right now.
Okay.
Then after a while, put a 6 in on here.
Okay.
And probably lean it back a little bit.
Okay.
Stop the cap.
Inside, it might be a little.
Check the inside off. Check the inside off. Okay, we sitting on that leather. We sitting on that leather.
I got the sun.
Sunroofed out. Okay, y'all see it. Big dash. Y'all see it. 173. That ain't shit. So you going to the meet tonight?
Yeah.
So what you saying is that you back into the truck game?
I'm back.
So you back?
I'm back.
So no more sports car?
No more.
No more ang.
Boy, if you don't get right here posted up.
Man, what the deal is, man?
Chill.
We done made it to McComb, right?
Floating them
we
big
here.
bitches.
We on side of the road. Posted up.
In the cut like a fucking bandit.
Man, y'all see it? Look, we in the cut.
See, like
we on the side of the road.
On the interstate.
Look, we ain't on the side of the road because we fucked up or nothing. We just chilling till the gang get here. You hear me? We on the side of the road waiting.
Like a hooker, look.
Yeah. Moon 'em. Who this is? Oh shit! That bitch laid. That bitch laid back. That bitch laid the fuck back. What that bitch was? What's up, gang? Gang. Where the truck at? Where the truck at? We gotta go and put it on there. Give me a whole walk around, son. What you got?
Got a shitty booty ass RC.
No, you don't.
Body lift. 6
What we got? 6 and 7. What wheel lights you running?
Gizzle double roll.
Rolling LED,
Yes,
you hear
sir.
me? Yes, sir. This bitch laid back. This bitch laid back, son. What's up, gang? What's up with you, bro? Look, long time coming, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. These them new Axe wheels, bro. Them bitches so clean. These them new Axe wheels, bro. Them bitches so clean. We gotta get my family on the YouTube channel. New camera on deck. What's up, gang?
That boy rich. How? That boy rich.
We got the famous Holden Jackson. What's up, bro?
What can I
What's
say?
up, bro?
Where the meat riders at?
Oh no. This dude here don't need no introduction.
I'll tell you something, bro. Every time I trip on a bitch, it's cause she on the floor, you know what I'm saying? Hey, 2 things I don't know about, bro. That's a turtle with speed and the bitch I need.
Man, stupid. Who we got here, Mr. High Country? Hey, what's up, man? Mr. Don't pop off no more. You been all right, though, brother?
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Park it right here. Park it right here. Oh no. You can't leave right now. I just got here. You can't leave.
Been waiting on you.
we got held up because I had to get drunk first, then pull up.
Oh, I'm drunk right now.
He's stupid, bro. Okay, Mike to put me on high noon. So they 5.
Like 5, bro.
Man, let me see. Hold the camera. High noon, vodka and soda, pineapple, made with real juice. You see it?
Yeah.
Made with real juice. We finna see what the deal is, bro. We at Lowe's right now. You know what I'm saying?
Straight juice. I'm telling you.
That shit fire. Bruh, okay. This video is sponsored by High Noon. Okay, look.
shit.
On a scale from 0 to 10, rate this nigga outfit right now. What you got? What you got?
Tell you
What you
something,
got?
bro. That shit gon' blood. That's my boy.
Okay,
right there.
okay, look. Rate the
my boy
outfit.
right
Rate the outfit. Who we got first? Who we got
Hey.
first? Michael Bray.
We don't want to, you know, boast his energy a little
Okay,
bit, but we
okay.
gonna give him a good 8+.
Okay, A+, A+, A+. What you got? What you got?
Shit,
What
he
you
a
got?
1, you know what I mean?
Damn! With your motherfucking squid with tentacles built ass. Where the fuck Jacob Wilson at? Mister, I got 16 wides. We got the wife out here.
Yeah, we got a wife out here.
What's going on? What's going on?
Nothing.
Miss Wilson, how you doing?
I'm great.
We got a new
Hayabusa.
bike.
Hayabusa.
So you going with the Hayabusas now, bro?
Yeah.
What is it? Rattlesnake skin?
I don't know if it's got to go though.
Rattlesnake. Y'all see it? GSX 1300, the real deal. The real deal. We got this garbage ass nigga right here. Hold it for run. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
You get that? No.
No. What's up, bro? Who? It's your birthday today, nigga?
No, it ain't my birthday today. I'm trying to clean my
It's
wheels.
gone.
Leave me alone.
When your birthday was, son? Why
I been
you
trying
ain't
to
tell
leave me
nothing?
alone, bro.
You
I'm
ain't
trying to
tell me nothing, nigga. Happy birthday happy late birthday to my brother. Bitch, I would kiss you, but I don't love you that much. And we got gang out here. We got gang out here. What's that, brother? Look, happy G-Day, late G-Day to my brother.
4 days late.
So how you enjoying your first meet?
It's good.
You saw all the trucks yet? No.
That's what she got in that cup.
What's in that cup?
That can.
What's in that can?
Lemonade.
And what else?
Oh.
Tell her, ask the vlog what she asked Rudy what that truck was doing.
Hey, so what that truck was doing? What you asked Rudy what that truck was doing?
Scrubbing.
What? Frog. That's how you coming, Frog? That's how you coming? You full of that mo, ain't it? Full of that mojo. What the people want to know is, for scraping, is you gonna be leveled or you gonna be on the tire? What? That's what they want to know.
I'm gonna be on a 30-inch bulletproof
God damn!
with a, let's see, maybe like -5 or 6 in the back. That's just gonna be laid back.
Now we got Mr. Wilson right here.
Yeah.
For scraping, first off, are you going to scrape? No, maybe.
No.
If. No at all.
I'm still paying tickets from last scraping.
Oh yeah? Why? What was the tickets from?
Illegal U-turn.
Okay. Truck too big.
600. Oh yeah, dude, they tried to run me out of the ball parking lot because the truck too big.
Like seriously? Like
Swear to God.
for real?
I parked and the cop pulled up and said, "Hey, you need to leave." I said, "What for?" He goes, "Your truck too big."
If y'all don't know, this is Jacob Wilson. He had the black F-150 that was major. The first one in the truck scene that really had that big ass lift. Now everybody want to go bulletproof.
Yeah, everybody trying to stack lifts.
This is the first person that did it.
Yep, me.
So he's the OG of it. Hit the grid right now. What's coming through? What's coming through the hard body? Oh! Yeah! Drip check. Huh? Drip check. All right, look. Look. Hey, hold up. All right, look. Hold up. Wait. The belt. 340. Jacket. Armani Exchange. 680.
Black t-shirt.
A-Rap store. $3.
Blue drawers.
Nike. 4 in the pack. $80. I'm capped.
How about the slugs?
Hey, real shit though, the slugs. For 2 of them, $450, no cap, no J's. The J's, 180.
City trends.
Hey, you see the back? Rock Revival. These jeans, 270, no cap. The bandana, I'm going in. $1. We got 6s on 5s, RSTs. Got color match mirrors. Where the drive at? Right here, look.
What up, dog?
Plug your IG and snap.
At Colin_W
Okay.
Hey, and on the back glass, I own the audio shop. That's the audio shop.
Hey, plug him in. I'll take these rear blocks out. Something gotta happen.
The front's getting lifted Tuesday. Lifted Tuesday.
Okay, look. Y'all heard it here at Gizzle Rollin. He gonna take the fucking rear blocks out and lift the front.
Hey, 15 in the front.
Oh,
5 in the back.
Ashton Duncan, he coming for your ass, son.
Ashton.
He coming for your
Hey,
ass, son.
Ashton.
Yes, sir.
It's on the way.
Oh, y'all heard it here, Gizzle Rollin.
Hey, we gotta get them on the chat.
Oh, man, this is new forward, bro. What the fuck? Look, he finna give us some deer meat for the free. He just fucked the truck up. Hey, look, we got some free deer meat. Barbecue at my house tomorrow, Kel. It's going down.
Plus, I got some deer meat at home.
Yeah, fucking right. He started out, y'all see it, spider package. I got bigger than Hey, Frog. Hey, Frog, move around with that bullshit.
Over here, Tom.
Oh my mama, that dude, bad. Look, he's gay. He's gay. He drives a squatted truck, so he's gay. Yes. He was just jacking off my goddamn microphone.
What?
Give me the camera.
I ain't got no truck. I ain't got no truck.
Hey, bro. Y'all don't be mean to my man. This man right here, he gay as fuck, bro. He got his own problems.
Yeah. Why would I drive a squatted truck? Like, who the fuck drives that shit?
Hey, my mom.
Who the fuck drives a squatted truck? Who the fuck drives that shit? What you finna do, son?
I'm finna go beat the fuck out of this thing.
Okay, what you drive, son?
It's right here.
Okay. Okay. So what you finna do? Beat the fucking box?
Yeah.
Beat that bitch. Beat that bitch. Loud as a motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, that shit loud as fuck.
I want to crank that 6.2 up.
Crank that 6.2 up.
Crank that
6.2 up. Crank that 6.2 up. Fuck that. Crank that 6.2 up.
Hey, blow my shit up.
Come on. Uh-oh. Basco next. Uh-oh. Basco next. Uh-oh. God damn, Basco, I hear you. Oh, shit.
Damn.
Okay.
Turn up.
Let us hear something. Let us hear. Damn. Hey, that's the best sounding shit I done heard all night. I swear to God. Hey, you win.
I know y'all like that. I know y'all like that.
You win. Where that 6.2 at, Rudy? Where that 6.2?
That 6.2 up.
Where that 6.2 at?
Bust everybody
They wanna
ass
hear the 6.2. Let me hear something. Where the 6.2? Let me hear. Come on, let's go.
They about to be disappointed.
Hey, the battery finna die, bro. We going to the 6.2. Okay, let me hear something. Damn.
I still bust nigga ass.
My battery finna die. If I get some more footage, it's gonna be on the goddamn iPhone.
Hold on, that man upgraded right here, yeah?
Man, you ain't see me?
Look at that.
My camera dead, bro.
Yeah.
So
it's still
okay.
gang shit.
Yeah, it's still gang. We trapping off the iPhone right now. I'll see it. We out here. We out here.
I told my mom I'm thugging
like a dog.
We don't need cable.
What? Say what now?
I told my mom I'm thugging outside tonight.
I don't need to. Wow, great. This nigga say.
True dude before
This
scraping. Oh,
nigga say his shit gonna be true dude before scraping. That's cap. That's cap as fuck.
I took the.
Look, bro, I ain't gonna sit here and I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm about to just go ahead and end the vlog off now, cause I don't even feel right vlogging off my phone no more. I don't. So we gonna just go ahead and end it off. Hey, how y'all night was tonight?
It was fire.
It was fire.
It's our first truck meet.
This Diamond first truck meet. How your first truck meet was?
My hair look amazing on them.
So fuck it. You with Cap Crew.
Brother, tell Diamond.
Gang shit, baby.
Tell Diamond, tell him vlog what the police had in his hand.
A big stick.
Who you gonna hit? Who you gonna hit, man? What you would even hit me?
That one just got her ass beat.
What happened, Rue Crew?
Oh, that's what you gonna do if the police hit me, bro?
What you would have did?
Not shit.
Just sat there and say, fuck that nigga. Babe, you knew better than to go over there any fucking way.
Give me these fucking keys. Get your ass up that ground.
We came to McComb tonight. Cap Crew came to McComb.
Gang shit.
We did our shit, you know what I'm saying? So it's over with. My camera died. I'm on the phone, so I'm about to end it off because I don't even feel like recording off my phone no more. So let's do it. It's over with. Rolling.